Just now, sir.
You got the notification, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Hi, all. Good evening. So, welcome to the third session of this ABAP demo only. Still, we have not started the course. So, I will tell some more few of the terminology in the SAP which we will be going to use very frequently. Okay. So, one is the master data. You need to understand the master data. Master data in SAP. Second one is transaction data. And the third one is customizing data as well. Customizing data. And fourth one is header data. And fifth one is item data. So as long as you are in SAP, so whatever the module you will be working, either ABAP or any other modules, this is the basic concepts or terminology that you should understood, the concept behind it. And if you remember in the last session, so I was telling you some flows. And this flow is, I think it's what I was telling here. So this one I explained last session. This is, I just write that flow because I write a number of times that flow in course as well. This is the flow. SAP business transaction code. And here your SAP database tables will be there. And this SAP business transaction codes is going to use by the users. Users are going to use for the business applications. Users. They are the users. And you as a developer, you are a developer here. You as a developer, you are going to create this business transaction code to the user. User use this one in the SAP system and then create the data into the database tables here. So this is what that we have done in the last class also, if you remember. So we have created a material data, material master data, material data. So using MM01, MM02, and MM03 is for display. So this is creating the materials data, creating material data, materials data. This one is change materials data. This one is display materials data. This is what we have done. I'll show you just quickly in the system. So what I am doing is I'm connecting to SAP system. So SAP system is a not a free system, free software. This SAP software is the licensed software. So once you join this training, right, I will purchase this software access for you, the user access for you. For 3 months, I'll buy and I will give it to you. Within the 3 months, I'll complete the syllabus, the course class. Okay. So you don't need any software. You need just the remote desktop app will be there. If you use that app, it will ask for the username and password, which I will be giving to you. Then once I give you give the user ID and password, it will go to desktop. You see my desktop, right? Remote desktop. This is how you log into SAP system. You'll get like this. In the projects also, you do the same way. I mean, in the same way means you may connect in a different way, but system will be like this only. The same system what you are accessing here. The projects also will be looks same system only. But that is only your for example, you work for Capgemini. So you work for the Capgemini through the Capgemini for BMW client like that. So you'll get a system access of the BMW, not Capgemini SAP system. We'll see what is this client and all. So this is the password you give. Once you give this one, now you are into the SAP system. This is where your SAP system is here, right? So this is the navigation. This is the navigation program from one transaction code to other transaction code. We call it transaction code in SAP. Nothing but a group of screens. Nothing but. Okay. So I was telling to you, last class I think we have created some materials here. Right? This is a business transaction code. So in a company, so if the user who is using the SAP system in the BMW client, if they want to create any new materials data in the system, they go and create the data through this MM01 transaction code. This is what I told last class. Let's quickly do it. Then we'll go for master data and transaction data. Entire screen, what you see, right? This has been built by SAP using ABAP programming language. ABAP is SAP's own programming language. Use some materials, units of measure, material group, and gross weight, and say net weight here. Okay. So you no need to understand at this point of time what is this base unit of measure and all. This is a business point of view. Functional people will give all this requirement. Then you create like this as a ABAP consultant. Can you hear me? Are you able to hear my voice clearly? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right? You can hear me, right? Can't say what will happen. Think of what will happen. Anything that once you go to any website, once you register any of your information and all, once you save it, what flow will happen in general?
It will create a new material. Sir, voice is not clear. Disturbance in the voice, sir. Sir? Disturbance in the voice.
How is voice? No? Hello?
Yes, it's clear now. Earlier it was.
Okay, right. It's a mere. So this flow will happen. Now, the moment I click on save, right, this flow will happen. Data will go from here, the scales to database.
Sir, it's chemical. That's why it's IG. It has given a display message. Is it like that?
Which one? Which one?
Net weight.
Net weight is somebody has put implemented some checks by above people only, training people only. That's
Okay,
why it is
okay,
saying as a mandatory here. It is mandatory. That is the reason.
okay. UM.
So this should not be the error. It should be the only warning only. Somebody is given as a other message.
Net weight mandatory. So
Ah,
here it is means it is blank.
we'll create one more with the net weight.
Means in starting of the SAP system, you
Hmm.
told us. Means you taught us about this. We have to give the gross and net weight both.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
in starting classes about like
Hmm.
fitness, creating a new material of
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
net weight and
Hmm.
gross weight. You asked
Uh-huh.
to enter.
Hmm. Hmm.
If you try like
Maybe at that time, I don't think so. I remember it was mandatory because this error, what we are getting, right? It may be sometimes when we are doing some topics, right? There is a topic in ABAP
means
called
like
as enhancements.
yeah, I guess you have means fitness type of material you have created in the starting
Hmm.
when you
Hmm. Hmm.
taught
Hmm.
us to taught to us
Hmm.
at that
Hmm.
time
Hmm. Hmm.
you have given both net
Hmm.
weight and gross weight.
Hmm. Hmm.
But here, if you,
Yeah, maybe because I have not given it is not taken. Let's see now if it takes.
yeah, I guess UM
Not
unit of
allowed case.
measurement, I guess some weight not allowed in kg because it's chemical material. It's not allowing in kg, sir.
It should allow because it
Means
just no. Maybe somebody has done some changes. No? If you remember right, last class also same thing we have got last demo also. I went to other system. If you remember, MM01 was not working due to some validation has
sir,
been
try
done.
to create some other material, not with chemical industry.
What was the terror is coming? With which one it was coming?
UM, kg is not mandatory. UM
UM
is
is IZ.
IG, yes, not allowed in kg.
So
IG,
then we should give, we'll try to give the IZ.
yes, sir. Try to give IG. unit of measurement.
We have to check it whether IZ is available here.
Sir, IG is not.
IZ is not there here, right?
Yeah, IG is not there, but sir, unit of measurement only, I guess.
Oh, this is your some is wrong.
Sir, maybe you can take with the GM, gram or Because it's chemical
Okay,
material.
gram we can take.
Gram, GM.
Mm.
Material group you can check with something. Because it's chemical industry means chemical material
Mm.
you are taking.
Yes.
According to that,
Gram.
we have to change, I guess.
It depends on the business point of view. The back-end configuration will be done. What should be taken here?
Yes, yes.
SAP functional people will do that configuration actually.
GM is not a unit of weight, not a valid unit. Let's see.
Okay, created.
Material group.
So, so we'll take this material number and then we'll check it the system, the database table. Take this one. This is what I was telling.
701
This flow.
8. Okay.
So we are done here. Data is created and show here the database table. So which transaction should go? SC level. Go to SC level. Go to table. Mara. Table name. Database table name. Where in this table the data will be saved. This material here.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
This is what the business transaction, business data flow.
Means
Any
on what
questions here
date?
in this flow? Yeah. Ravani and Sanjay, any questions in this? What I'm trying to explain here? Do you have what
No,
I'm
sir.
doing? Are you just getting basic thing?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes.
basic thing what I am doing is I'm just saying to you how in the real time projects how the SAP system is used day to day by the user, and the
Okay, sir.
backend code is ABAP here. This is
Okay, sir.
point to tell you. It's not
Okay,
you're not started as part of the ABAP, but just to make you understood.
okay, sir.
Okay. This is what you see the entire SAP. And as I said, maybe in the first class also, I might have been told all the first session, demo session as well. This is the complete flow of your entire SAP, this flow. This business transaction code, data will be saved in the tables. And if you require, you can query this tables data and print as a reports for analysis purpose. Stock details, materials dated, details like that. Okay. Now coming to the types of data, what I planned today, master data. Think of what could be the master data. There are generally this type of three types of data. Master data. What could be the master data? This data is like a hot for entire IT industry, not only for the SAP people. Data means information. What could be the master data? Think of in general. In our day-to-day life, what information you can think as a master data? Right? Master data. Any guessing? Hello? Like your Aadhaar number, Aadhaar data. Right? Master data means the data which will not change frequently. Which will not. change frequently. Right? Master data. Under master data, other data, uh, date of birth data also, right? And place of birth, right? Your personal information,
Bank account number.
right? Like mother name, uh, father name, gender, right? All these are the master data, which will not change frequently at all. Bank details, bank
PAN,
account details,
bank account details,
mm,
PAN
PAN,
detail,
PAN details, and also the employee data, right? Once you join in
employee
employee,
info.
your employee data is master data. It is one-time data only. You don't change it frequently. In the SAP, master data is nothing but materials data. What we have done just now. Customer data, vendor data.
For particular business, particular details are there. That data is known as
Mm.
master data.
In general, the data which will not change frequently.
Yes.
PIN code details, all these are the fixed mobile data, mobile numbers. What could be transactional data?
Day to day, the
Right
updation.
here, materials data is going to create through MM01T code, which is what we have done. Customer data in the SAP, we use in the world concept of XD01, no, for customer data. And this one is vendor data is XK01 transaction. This also explained last class how to create a vendor data. This is the business transaction codes. With this, you can create the data, business data, which will go and sit in the database tables. This will be doing as part of the different topics when it come across. We'll be doing this one. I just thought to give you the basic information of this terminology, the SAP terminology basically. What could be the transaction data? Think and tell me.
Sales, purchase,
Correct. Sales data,
Day to day,
sales order data, purchase order data,
drawing the money from the bank.
bank transaction data also, right? Because
Bank
bank
transaction data.
transaction data and the material stock also, right? Material stock
It
details.
also, yes, it also
This
change.
also will be changing.
Yes.
Invoice details also, right? Invoice billing. So sales order means how it looks. I'll show you quickly in the system. If you go to here in the SAP system, this is sales order. This is how it looks. The sales order means data means here. This is the data. This is the data. This is the data. This is the fields. Purchasing organization, group, company code. This is the headings, column headings or field headings. This is the data. This is how the purchase order data looks. Okay. So this purchase order data you can see in the database tables. So if you go to anything's data you want to see, it will show in the system and database tables only. For that, you should go to SC11. Go to SC11 /n SC11. What is N means you are overwriting this current session. SC11 is the SAP has given this transaction code to see the data of the tables or to create the tables data as well. So this purchase order data will be available in the EKKO. Go to here. Contents. Okay, this number. What is the number? This is the number 47000053. See here. This is how the data. What do you see in this data? We'll see all these concepts more clearly going forward. This is how the purchase order means it looks. As long as you are in the SAP, you will use this terminology. Purchase order, sales order, material, customer, vendor, this information. It will be very interesting. Okay. I'll show you one sales order also, how it looks. You see the scheme, right? This is all built by SAP using ABAP only. So this type of application we call as application. We will be doing as part of our course. This one. These topics will be doing as part of our course. This one, all this one. Where you see the code for all these things is if go to system, status. Now go to the program. You can see the program here. This is a program written by SAP, which is responsible to get that type of skin. This is one purchase order, how it looks. And then we'll go to one sales order also. Sales order is going to create in the system by VA01. And for changing the sales order, VA02. For display the sales order, VA03. Suppose we go to VA03. You can search here. Go to sales order. Go to sales order. Click on enter. Okay, it's some error here. Address category does not exist. Since what some problem system. Let me show you another system. How it looks the sales order. Okay. VA03. This skin is built by ABAP using ABAP programming language. You go to the sales order search here. Take some sales order number here. Press enter here. Otherwise, I'll create one sales order, show you how it looks system.
So do we have to give a customer reference while doing this?
No. If you are creating any with respect to existing sales order, then you should. This is how it looks sales order here. See here. Sales order document we call it sales order document. Just to make you the familiar. So whatever you means the business people will maintain the data, and the sales order will be created in the database tables in the system. It's clear. Transaction data is clear. Organize customizing data. Think of what could be customizing data. One more terminology in SAP, customizing data. This is organization level data. This is organization level.
New clients are
Organization
getting
level
added in
data.
company or business to business
Yes.
clients.
Company code, plant, storage location, company. This is called under customizing data. Here, company, all this one. So this you can see in the SPRO transaction where you create this companies. You go to here, SAP. SPRO is SAP functional people. They use this one. They go to here. Then they will go to enterprise structure, definition, financial account, defining the company here. So new company you can create new entries. This is where you create the customizing data. I'll show you one data. The moment I click on save, new company information is created in the system. So I'll change the value here. Save it here. You lost customizing request, transfer request to move this information from one system to other system. Now this is stored in the database. How do you check it? That Control C, press F1 here to show you the table name where it stores. Go to the table, show the table name here. It is a view
We
actually. Double click here. Go to table join conditions. Go to table name. You can see here, copy paste here. Control V, execute here. Yeah, this is the data, customizing data. This is one-time data. So very beginning when project is defined, at that time it will be defined, not designed, defined by the business people, understanding with the business people and with the SAP functional people together. They discuss and functional people will create this information in system. So finally, whatever the information is going to create in the system, the data will go and update into the database tables. This also will see going forward in the back end how the tables work and all here. And other concept I was explaining is, any questions here? Hello? Any questions? right? Next header data and item data, right? Think of what could be header data, what is item data? So if you go to the supermarket, right? If you go to the supermarket, supermarket name, right? Supermarket number, phone number, supermarket address, right? Date that you purchased, time, right? For example, supermarket name is, say, suppose Reliance. Say supermarket phone number is some number. Okay. Address, say Whitefield. Date 03 October. Time, say suppose maybe 8 p.m. for example. And or this is the header data. In the items, what you purchase, right? It's called items data. Item number. Item number.
Type of item.
Okay. Item data is item number, item name, right? Quantity, price per quantity, total price. Right? Item number one. Say soaps. You purchase soaps here. Say quantity, two quantity. Price per one quantity is say suppose 50 rupees. It becomes 100. Item number two. Say suppose you purchase the paste. Three. Each paste is 100 rupees. How much it becomes? 300. Right? Third one. What could be the other one? Say shampoo you purchase. Shampoo. One shampoo. Price per shampoo is 200. Total price is 200 only. Right? Suppose you purchase some biscuits, for example. 4 packets you purchase. Each one is say suppose 100. So how many items are there in this items data? 4 items, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the header data? This is header data. This is common or not for all these things? For all this data, this is common. Hence we call as header data. And this is called as item data. And this is also very important concept, sir, that you will be going to understood as part of the training, the header data and item data. For example, you can see here header data in this system. Right? If you take this one, we have taken this one. This is the document number, purchase document number. Take this number, go to SC11, sorry, ME23N, which I showed you already. Here you can see the header data and item data. This one only. This is document number, supplier, document date. This all called as header data. And this is item data. 10, 20, right? 2 items we are purchasing under this purchasing order data. So this you can see in the tables as well. This we have seen one record in the header table. Same thing if you go to the item table, item table. Take this one. Go to SCM. Item table is EKPO. Go to display. Go to the contents. You will see two records because two items you are purchasing. Two records here. So what the header data and item data. So this also will be seeing very clearly going forward in the as part of the topics when I'm going to explain the ABAP topics. Right? Foreign key, primary key is where you get this header data and item data concept. Okay. So any questions? We will stop the recording.